Right now, this is the Upnlive show. Each and every Wednesday, right here, we brought to you all courtesy of Worlmag Entertainment, Worlmag Promos, all courtesy of Flames Radio. My name is DJ Rick, all courtesy of Likkle Brown Rasta, Dragon Allstardi, Worlmag and the full team. This is the Upnlive show. We have a very, very special guest this evening. And you're here representing the full new level team right here in Flames. It's a very big team, so can we introduce from my very right here, my good friend
Trey Brown.
That's right. The gentleman in the blue.
Tricks. Oh, it's not even on.
It is.
Yo, Tricks, Blockstar.
Yeah, and the lovely lady over that side is.
Ria.
And you are Miss
Bibi.
Bibi. And you are the full team of
wait.
new level. Right? There's more. Keep going. Keep it going.
GC.
GC in the building. Let me make sure your microphone's working. Is the microphone's on? Let's check it to make sure, because they're here this evening and it's a very big team, and I like what the team is doing. They've been doing lots of things. So, gentlemen, your name is?
Taz.
Taz. Yes. And first, let me start this way. Who was the leader of the team?
Well, I wouldn't say I was the leader, but I kind of came up with the idea.
You came up with the idea?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the idea of this new level?
So basically, New Level is a organisation that promotes young and up-and-coming unsigned artists. So what we do is we get them shows and we promote them on all platforms, get them recognised, because there's a lot of talent out there that's not being recognised and only goes so far with it.
Do you have any room for any more? Because I think I need to join this team, you know.
Yes, we do actually. We'll have a recruiting day at the end of next month. No, just
I need to sign up. So you've been doing, because I've seen you've been doing like some open mics, or so. Was it an open mic or?
Yeah, so basically open mic's been running now for about probably about 8 months now. So we've had about 8 or 9 open mics around North London.
Okay.
This year we're looking to go outside London.
Okay.
So we'll be like recruiting and stuff like that.
So what's the aim really?
So basically the aim is to get unsigned artists out there and hopefully get them signed, because hopefully we'll get labels to recognise them and get them signed to move on. But we also have another project as well, which is New Level Youths.
Okay.
Which is it's a project for under 18s, for young kids. We're in the middle of securing a youth club, so it should be up and running. So it's going to be a space for young children that have an interest in music and performing arts to come to after school. So it's like a youth club and a weekend club. So it's going
should be interesting.
New Level Youth should be launching around April.
Yeah.
We should be getting the youth centre around March the 17th.
So everybody has their role to play into the promotion side.
Yeah. So everybody has kind of like each person. Also with like New Level, like not everyone just sings, like everyone's got something else as well that they offer.
Yeah.
That we don't just take anybody, like they've got to come with not just their singing, but they can be adaptable to like do different things. Yes.
So in the room here we have any performers in the room here at the moment. Trey Brown, I know Trey Brown is obviously. We know Trey. The gentleman here you're a rapper, singer.
Yeah, I do a bit of singing and rapping as well.
Is it?
Yeah, like multi-talented.
So anything that you have working at the moment, you doing anything now, or are you just freelancing?
Yeah man, I always work on something.
Okay, I like that time. I like that time. We're gonna be getting back to you. The gentleman there in the cream jacket.
Yeah man, I've been doing music for a little while, you know. For a few years, but only in the last year and a half to the last year have I really been doing it like seriously, you know.
Okay, what convinced you to start?
I've always grown up around music, bro. Like my dad was heavily into music, so from young, just got brought up around vibes. You know, like that in my house, there was always vibes.
There's always something popping.
Yeah, man.
That's right. You sound like you're influenced by the Caribbean side, because I can hear that.
Definitely.
Yeah, they're like man, and then I like that. But what type of music do you do personally for yourself?
I like to do a bit of everything, but I mainly do like Afro beats. Obviously I do rapping.
Is it?
But right now, really, I'm going for the Afrobeat sound, man.
You like the Afrobeat? The Afrobeats are popping right now still.
Yeah, trust me.
Because Afrobeat is making it mainstream. It's crossed that boundary where it's accepted into my grandma's house. So
yeah, man.
That's how you know when music is going places. It's accepted.
Yeah, that's the vibe. I'm trying to set still. Yeah.
Hopefully you can give me a couple
Afrobeat.
bars in a couple minutes or so. I'm gonna
Yeah,
be
man.
testing you to the beat. Alright, you up for that?
Yeah, definitely, bro. Yeah. Man.
Okay. And the beautiful lady in the black here, she came prepared. She has a water bottle, and she's like, she's not getting dehydrated in flames. These flames are bringing my water. What's your affiliation with the team?
I'm alongside my manager here. I'm a PA.
Okay.
So I just basically help organise everything, make sure the artists are basically doing what they're supposed to be doing.
Okay, so you're the lady with the whip.
Basically, yes. So
She's the bully.
you can't
She's the
be coming
bully.
late to my meetings, stuff like that. Like, you know what I mean? I just basically make sure that the consistency
Yeah.
of the company itself is flowing, basically.
Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. You need somebody like that to make sure everyone stays online, stays apart.
Yeah.
And my gentleman in the blue hat here.
Yeah, well, yeah, turn me down a little bit, I'm a bit loud.
You're right, man.
Yeah, I'm a rapper. I've been rapping since I was 13. But no, I started as a DJ and a producer.
Okay.
But then I made a couple mixtapes, well, 5 to be precise.
Yeah.
And I'm still now working on a couple EPs and a few other mixtapes here. And then I joined up with New Level, like, start of the year. And since then, I've just been rolling with it, man. So
Yeah,
it's
but
just
that's-
gotta get out there.
Well, you guys are okay. The New Level team, because I've seen, sometime I go into my gram, I see a lot of things happening with the New Level. And I'm just seeing the name and I'm like, who is this New Level? Because I can't pinpoint if it's a person, if it's a group, or is it just a thing. I couldn't, even when I asked, send me a picture to do the promotional thing, because I'm like, I need to see who is this New Level. I thought it was just one person. And then I realized that it's a full team. Obviously, that's why it's so effective.
Yeah, man, we're a full team, man. We're a full team. We're like family, man. We keep it close, man. And anyone can join, definitely. But as long as you can then, like, as long as you're adding something to the team, everyone adds something different. Like, I do grime and some people do other music that I don't do. So everybody adds their bit to it. You know what I mean? Help it grow.
I need to join in as well. I'm going to be doing that. Trey Brown, everybody knows you already. You're one of the founding performers of my hashtag One Mic.
Of course.
Yeah, and he's been down there quite a few times. I haven't done it for quite a while now, and I think I may be doing it in the near future or so.
Well, the last one was the Xmas party.
The Xmas party, yeah, that was just a little freestyle. I say, you know what, I haven't been doing anything for a while. Let me just do something because we have the resources, so why not?
Yeah.
But tell me, how do you find working with New Level? Because I know you were independent artist before. How is it for you?
I love my team. That's all I gotta say. I love my team. Come on, I love my team.
That's
Obviously, I started off by myself, but I honestly can say when you're part of a team, it makes the music experience 10 times better.
Yeah.
Because then, I was saying to Rhea the other day, we should just get a house. Everybody just everybody just live in the one house. We're on the train. We're all
I
there.
don't want to live with you though.
That's
Spend
fine.
enough time
Listen.
with you guys.
I think with the money that we can all make as a team, everybody can have their own floor. I don't business. You know what I'm saying?
That's going to be a very, very, very big house.
You can come and live there as well.
Yeah,
You know
I've been
what I'm
passing.
saying?
You know, I don't want to be to
Yeah.
sleep, so I'm going to the New Level house tonight.
I
Yeah.
think as a team, a lot of people want to be New Level. I'll just leave it as that. But yeah, I love my team basically. Everybody brings something new to the table. Everybody does a different genre of music, and that's what makes the team. I think if everybody did similar genres, then the team wouldn't be so. What should I say?
It's not effective. Yeah.
If everybody does the same thing, there's nothing to really. Someone says, okay, team New Level, everybody's a rapper. You're gonna be thinking, oh, well, I don't really want to hear a team of all rappers, but you got singers, you got rappers, you got people that do dancehall, you got people that do grime, you got people that sing rap. Just makes the whole experience 10 times better.
Yeah. So what's new for New Level for 2018? What do you guys have in store for us?
So basically, with the New Level Youths that's going to be launching in March or April, so we've got a lot of, I will be doing like a lot of stuff in the community because it is all about like raising the community. I've been working in the community for about 15 years now. I started off 15 years ago as a youth worker, and at the moment I work with young girls who are at risk of sexual victimization through gangs. So I'm all about bringing this New Level as a platform in the community for young, as kind of like role models for young people to basically look up to and to make their talent more, like know that there's more out there than to be like, you know, dropping out of school or being on the streets and stuff like that.
Do
And
you
with
get
my-
support though from like the government or so?
We have absolutely no support at the moment. However, hopefully by launching this new level, the new level youths, we will be having some support by the council, and they have also provided us with the building after
Okay.
a lot of proposals and paperwork and meetings. So
Yeah.
they've more or less told me that hopefully, yeah, we will
Because
get
there's
the building.
especially into this community that we live in. There's a big problem at the moment, and they complain about there's lots of crime, knife crime, especially with the youths. And as I look around to your team members, there's lots of peers amongst yourself that falls into that category where it's a target for them to be into such an environment where it allows these things to happen, because there's no stimulation for them to do anything else, or even there's nothing for them to do to express their feelings or the musical side, something. So they get caught up in whatever is going on. So obviously, if they can't do the music, they're gonna be into what's going on, the gang banging and all of that.
Well, hopefully with the new level youths, it's not just gonna be music for the young people. It's also going to be an accredited centre where young people can come and actually get a qualification, which at the moment is looking like BTEC level 2 in music. So if a young person has, for instance, dropped out of school or come out of school with hardly any qualifications, and they enjoy music, it doesn't matter. They can come and do a BTEC level 2, and we'll work at their pace, so they will get qualifications, or do a simple basic sound engineering course. By career, I'm a sexual health teacher, so what I do is I will also make the youth centre to be available for sexual health advice and contraception and everything else for young people, because we do live in especially the area that I've done a lot of research over the years, past 10 years, about statistics, and the area of North London, we do have areas where teenage pregnancy is high, and I'm quite passionate about that type of stuff.
I can see that. I can see that you have a vision, and hopefully with the vision that you have the right people around you to fuel that flame.
I'm hoping these members, this initial new level team, will be what the new level youths will be looking up to. So by pushing these guys, and it's not just about performing and stuff like that. Like we have, like, for instance, we have team meetings regularly every other week, where everyone's on point, knows what they're doing. We support each other. If somebody can't do something, we get the other person that could help them do it to complete the job. And hopefully the new level youths will have these guys as it'll almost be like a mentoring project for, like, these guys will be the big brothers of the youths.
Hopefully for the future,
yeah.
new level is going to be moving on to bigger
Hopefully.
and greater things.
Definitely.
2018 and beyond. Alright, so what we're gonna do right now, there's a room full of entertainers right here, and obviously you're not gonna be performing, because you probably can, because you've been around them so long. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clear the stage right here. I'm gonna give them a couple of beats, and we're just gonna be a quick falling. Alright, you have something to say before we go?
I forgot. I forgot. Yeah, because he came in late. But to introduce my main producer and the host, Smokey Piffin over there in the corner.
Yeah.
That's my main producer.
Let me see a couple words. Give him a microphone. What's your name, brother? Proper name, not the government name.
That's cool. That's
alright.
My name's Jules.
Yeah.
aka Smokey Biffin. That's what they call me.
And what can we find you like on social media or anything? You on social media?
Yeah. I'm on Insta. I'm on Snapchat. I'm on Twitter. It's under Smokey Biffin.
Smokey Biffin.
Only Smokey Biffin out there, so it should come up. Yeah.
So it's SMOKEY
PIFFIN.
That's right. So Smokey Biffin. People follow him. He's the newest thing right now. New level is going to be in the building, rocking it right
He's
now.
also been our host for the past 8 open mics since the beginning.
Is it?
Yeah, he just decided to host, and he's been there.
Yep. Big job.
Big job. Alright, there you had it. So this is the Upnlive show right here. Fastly approaching the end of the show right here. Thank you very much for listening, and thank you very much for liking the videos as well. Everybody online, good evening to you, and everybody that's listening right now. If you're driving home from work, you're stuck in your car, stuck in traffic like I was. Yeah, but before we go, we're going to be having a quick treat for you, because I know everybody that listens to the Upnlive show always likes to hear the last freestyle at the end of every interview. And we have a house full of different type of artists, so we're just going to drop a beat, and you guys can jump in whenever you feel like. I'm not going to tell you who to start, so whoever want to start whenever. When the beat drops, you just fall in. This is the Upnlive show. We have the full team, new level inside the building, so keep it locked. So this was the freestyle. Let's go. Turn up. Anybody ready? When you ready?
TV. New level, new level. Alright. Straight round, pass the boys finest. I've always got tapes in my pocket, I'm grinding, stacking up the 50s, stacking up the 20s, chilling in the hood with my brother sipping Henny. I've got my bad B rolling up the stinky. Just look at the stone just sitting in my pinky. You can tell I'm chunk cause my eyes turn chinky. Desi in my cup plus some what? I got a lot of brothers, got one true brother that will squeeze off the trigger. Never thought he thought he wouldn't look at any bigger, but he's sweet with the girls like pineapple bigger. Something like jerk in the cooker, yeah, swag so mad, yeah, it's overly sicker. PBE's fan is gonna blow and get bigger, yeah, no hand dance with the fan is till you figure.
Claims to be the best because I'm that good. Chilling in the traps, no crack bush, black hood. Boris Oren, swagger like a rash puss. Big bit, Afghani swaggy just back puss. Breaking down big guns so that might push. Remember when I had a rally, did it in a back push. These days I'm seeing shit different, where I feel like getting wicked with them witches in the backwoods. Oh yeah, them woods dog, living in the hood's hard. Never had a good start, family's got a dark past. 18 in the park with a dark car, so the prosy leaning on the window with a park car. She got paid in like 15 minutes, came back, bought 4 whites and 6B with it. I was thinking to myself, she got no life, but she's a good cat.
I'm on the back of man, should've known some rock with a bag of sand. Yeah, we do it for the rules, got a little scale and a ton of gun. We don't stomp pump, you like a man. I ain't playing games, man, it's like you don't understand this. Get me, just like a living fun. Feels like a movie, I'd rather live. So the camera, hit the big foot, you just understand. I'm spitting rolls till I hit the bank. Yo, yeah.
Yo, GC Young Boy Soul College, yeah? Flames Radio. Don't tap Mel, cause I know she's locked in, yeah? Alright, check it. It's like young dreads in this bitch on a mad one. Make your girl drip from the motion when I bang drop. Talking wifey, give this money, never had one. Big batty girl, she won't fuck me every day. Don't want a chick up on the island telling me I'm a escape. I got a Jamaican ting putting food up on my plate. Me and Nebby on the road until they say it's OHBG, so don't try with me. Couple guys are shit now, so don't try and see. See when I roam around, the eyes are turned green with envy. But I kick back and off, split on the bar. I know one man's down for another man's come up. So done with the hating, cause now I can't stand that. Way too much gun talk, too much gun man chat. I smoke loud with them and I smoking lush. I smoking OG, man, I smoking cheese. Then bitch say that she wanna come to my crib. Try to the drawers, go and give G a bit of beat. But I swear when it hits the ground to the crunch, now that bitch there, she wanna get underneath the slab.
Alright. My whip push to start, no longer need pedals. Just set on my feet, I got a roll here, the bezel. Fucking with the OTF, I'm letting off the metal. Have you fucking, sorry. Woo. Alright, come again. Dancing, watching, You can't stop me now. You can't pull me down. You can't kill me out. Soon me on the radio. You can't stop me now. You can't pull me. Hey, what? You can't. What? Dirty. Bad mind can't stop me. Ever met them can't stop me. Why them man yet and still them can't stop me. Never number I call. No friend them I send. Talk about them kill me but me them no friend. Pure traffic on send. Woo! How you gonna do that to me, Rick? Yo.
Lots of hashtag big Afghani, no couple mad paddies, beat the pump local like an asthmatic wartime. Yeah. Yo, let me come back in. Yo. Yo, you catch the drop. Yeah. Blockstar, hashtaggy big bin, Afghani, know a couple mad, but yeah. Hey.
Okay, people, that was my one. That was my one.
Maybe, hey,
I'll
maybe
put
look
my hands
that.
up. I'll put my hands up, right?
Yeah,
Okay, what we're gonna do right now? We're gonna make it a quick 1 minute, alright?
Yeah.
So 1 minute to everybody the spit bars. Last final minute, alright? This is Flames Radio. Let's go.
Alright, quick one. Bring up one. Nah, this is Yo, bring me in. Yeah, they wait for the next one. Yo. Blockstar, hashtaggy big bin, Afghani, no couple man, daddy to the bump, local like an asthmatic ward, like more time the swagger's all red, rash man, big boys in the fat baggy, yeah I'm damn man, Billy bang dang in the back alley, I was moving man scatty with this gas, you see the cash grabbing and I'm in the face that trappy. Haters still hate because the flow's still catchy, flow still matchy, all I do is bust jokes. And that mean I'm happy, yo, these stitches give me stitches. They remind me of the itchy with the scratchy. Trappy in my tracky, scratchy like Harachis. Thoughts I is a crab, I guess that's why I'm always snappy. Always making new shit, I'm like all the lappy. I smell with the snappy when I'm flying off the.
Yo, check it. Cause it's like real sick man, may not even do rap, but I swear I come better than most these MCs. And most of these guys, they want a brand new chain, but I swear I wanna try to take my mum overseas. Shout out all of my touch back in the info. Shout out Ren Oren, shout out Warren, and shout out Rickdragon. Get shit poppin' on black Batman when I roll through the poppin'. I swear that girl there, she got violated. That girl there, she got ripped, man, I swear. And that girl there, yeah, she said she like it rough, so I tell her back it up and then I rip it. There is ginger, just lost the that's so low. She tries and she never seen it before. So you're next round when she gets in the round. And then she never ever hit on my raw. Yeah, I know that it's hard when I settle that score. Tell my old friend, nah, we ain't cold, yeah. That's the only time that there be a dry. That's the only time for them when they there wanna roll, yeah. I stay red, don't wear, never sober. Me I get it in when I drop till it's over. Won't stop till I got that house on the hill. When I'm the one on my seat with a brand new rover.
Listen, not even that can't stop me now.
Oh gosh.
Me out. Look at my life, me swear money and gal, my brother walk here about. So you tell them, and not even that can't stop me now. You swear to me yard and can't jam me out. Look at my life, me swear money and gal, my brother walk here about. Hey, I am the bigger man, take me to the greatest, make it pin a land. Make me share positive and this kind of life, no one a funeral. You some go so no one fit in a gal. Pocket off, you take me, send me money off, and out you need a bigger van. Yes, you like the place cause it full of bag of style. Every touch up, my back is full of oil. When me stepping on me, got them so put in a style cause they have the whole place, man, turn up in a style. My God, them are the realest. When you touch up, believe me, can't believe it. And you gotta see me, want to me. Hey, you know me touch it, I see it. Yeah.
I say this is the original Chronics representing for Flames Radio, them to know that.
That's right, this is Flames Radio. This was the new level unlock, I should say. All up on the Flames Radio doing the thing. The mad freestyle, everybody have bars into the crew. Nobody's lazy, nobody's lame. Right here. Remember, you can catch them each and every day online at New Level. Follow them because they're going to be the voice of the future into entertainment. It's not only just singing and rapping and all these things. There's other elements into the team New Level, as you were listening earlier on. The manager was saying that they're involved with the youths into the community, and this is what we're trying to help groups like this to showcase what they have, because you never know, somebody out there may need the help. So if you do want to be a part of the New Level team, you can always contact them via Instagram, that's New Level, and just DM them because that's the way forward, and you can get more information. Alright, this is the Upnlive show. Rick Upnlive. We're going to be doing one last shout. Everybody give us the Instagram name. Starting from the right here. Trevor. That's not Trevor. Trevor, move. What's your Instagram, brother?
You can catch me live on Instagram with Tizzy Boy. That's TIZZY BOYY. You can also follow me on Snapchat. That is TAHZ997. Yeah.
And to my next right, the gentleman there is, what's your Instagram name?
Who is Ginger C? That's GINGAC. Twitter, Ginger C, same way. Facebook as well, Ginger C, same way, man. Follow me up, I'm there.
Okay, and pass the mic around again, and then the next person is...
Yeah, man.
Is that one, yeah?
Yeah, man. Tricks, Blockstar, same on everything. Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Tricks, TRIXBLOKSTAR. And my 5th mixtape, The Last Wave, out now, thatpiff.com. And on the 10th, at the Gilpin Bell, is going to be the next New Level open mic. So, yeah.
Yes, respect. And thank you very much for passing through, everybody. This is the Upnlive show. Keep it locked. This is Flames Radio. Remember, you can log on to the website, www.worlmagtv.com. Click onto the Upnlive tab. You can click onto the video section. You can watch the previous videos that we've done here before. You can go onto YouTube, search for the Upnlive channel onto YouTube. Subscribe, people. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. That's the only way we can help those around us to get out there. So remember, this is the Upnlive show on Flames Radio, 8 p.m. every Wednesday. Keep it locked. Don't move.